Six powerful tips. If you do the same way and being consistency, you can learn English without struggling, suffering. Just do it, consistency, and you will see the result. When I learn in English, when I started learning English 5 months ago, I don't know where to start. I don't know where I'm going and what I'm learning. First 2 months, I suffer a lot. I struggle. I go through a lot. I don't know where starting, where I'm going, and this is happening to you right now, I think. So guys, if you want to learn English and you like the way you start or where you going or what you should start learning grammar or sentences or other stuff, you hear the right place. Just do this simple way and repeat again, and you will see the result. So let's get started. I'm gonna share you 3 powerful tips you can learn. I mean 6 powerful tips. If you do the same right, you can learn English without frustrating. Just do it and repeat. You will see the result. So first thing you want to do is know your reason. Ask yourself why I don't want to learn English. Maybe it's for work, school, travel, or make me. If you know your reason, you will feel more motivated. When I started learning English, I have no reason to learn English. I just learned. I just, I have reason, but I really have nowhere to go. I just want to learn English. I have the potential to learn English, but I have no reason. Like I just, keep going and repeating something not working. So first 2 months, I struggled a lot and I didn't learn anything until I come across a video. A guy recommended people to use these simple ways, and I do the same way. And right now I speaking a bit naturally. I know still I'm learning English. I'm not fluently. I'm not close even fluent. I just B2 English. My English level right now is B2. But a lot of people they think I know English, but I don't know. I just still learning, and I do the same way. So the second one, number 2, set a goal. Make yourself a clear goal. If you have a clear goal, you will never give up. Just keep going. Listen in English. Listen podcasts. Just keep going. Do that again and again. Don't never give up. Like learning a language, it takes time. Learning a language takes time. So you cannot say, I want to learn English next month and be fluent. That's impossible. So clear yourself. Make yourself clear goal. Maybe you want to say, I want to learn English next 6 months and non-stop. Just keep going. If you see the result or you'll not see, just keep going and never stop. That set clear goal yourself. Make yourself a clear goal. Maybe after 1 year, 2025, 2020, this year is 2025. What about if you say, I want to learn English next year, 2026, or after this year, by the end of this year, I want to make my English B1. That is a clear goal, and you feel more motivated when you have a tough day or everything is going so hard. The number 3, learn useful phrases. If you are a beginner and you want to learn English right now, start and you don't know where it started, this is for you. This tip is absolutely for you. If you start to learn English and you don't know anything where you started, don't start grammar. Just learn useful phrases. I will make video how to start, but if you want to learn English first, start useful phrases, daily phrases. How are you? How I'm doing? Learn useful phrases. Learning your phrases will make you be sound is good and a bit confident. And when you want to speak people, or you will don't care about mistakes. Like just keep going and learn useful phrases first until you feel like you can express yourself without struggling or normal way. The second one, number 4, listen to English. A lot of people ignoring listening English, but for me, I listen podcasts. Last 3 days, I listen in podcasts consistently without stopping. When I woke up in the morning, the first thing I do, I listen English podcasts. You can listen. It could be basic. You watch movie that you're watching and you also listening. You can listen podcast as well. You can watch YouTube video and listen as well English. And so listening, the more you listen, the more you understand English. So and the more you learn words. A lot of people they write down words and they want to learn words, but that is impossible. When you try like write down 10 words and try to memorize, tomorrow when you wake up you have nothing know those words. You already forgotten. So listening broadcasts can or English can help you to understanding and speak and everything. It's very 50% listening. I think my English. I just listen broadcasts. 5. Use the language. Practice your English every day. Practice your English. Practice. Talk to yourself. Talk to your friend. Talk to your brothers if they speak the language. Just talk to you. Even it's enough to go to your mirror and talk to yourself and practice. The more you practice, the more you use the language, the more you will get. The more you close to be fluent. So use the language. Maybe just it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes a day, and 2 hours if you can. For me, I practice English a lot every day, especially last few months. I practice so much. And if you want to know how you can practice your English, our platform can help you to practice your English. Please write and comment. I will give you the applications you can practice native speakers, learners, and natural speakers. So the number 5 is use the language. I mean, practice the language every day. Even 5 minutes can make you a big progress. So yeah. Number 6 is the last one. Be consistent. Never stop. Never stop. Just never give up. Be consistency. And those first we set goal. If you set a goal, if you make your goal 6 months, be consistent those 6 months. Discipline, consistency, and persistence can help you to be fluent. So the last one is be consistent. Just do it consistent every day. Don't quit single day. Weekend, not weekend, every just do it. Just keep doing the same way. It is I'm not saying that do that 2 hours or 4 hours, but just be consistent. So when you being consistent, it is smart to learn a language and just be consistent. And yeah, that's all. So remember, reason, set goal, learn phrases, listen, use English, and be consistent. If you do these things, your English will improve a lot, step by step. So do that, and I do that right now. A lot of people they think I know English, but really my English speak not good. I just speak too, and I speak like this because I never focus any grammar mistakes. Right now, speaking English, I am sure what I'm speaking right now, 40% is incorrect. But I just focus. If you understand me what I'm saying, that is what I'm focusing. So thank you very much, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and join us our English journey, and do that six tips. If you do the right way, you will become fluent. Just if you do that again and again, I'm sure you will speak English naturally, confidently, without struggling. Have a good one. Thank